Hello, boys and girls. Yes, no, it's not the last, it's the third Sudoku. Yes, the third Sudoku in this additional. It's a binary, yes, a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper, the last day of the year, it's Thursday, December the 31st, 2020, yes. The last binary of the year 2020 I will do or solve, and this will be number 2092. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one and there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. And between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth 1. So this should be an O. Alright, so double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an wait. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here in the first column 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones in the second column, so the rest are O's. Between an wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright, without comparing. So I'm very pleased. A fast binary to solve. Yes, I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last tectonic of the year. Tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.